Hey you guys, what's up? Today we're out capturing acorn woodpeckers. There's this family that I know about in my area at this place called Avocado Lake, and we're at their granary tree right now. Acorn woodpeckers are really unique in that they're a very family-oriented species, and the whole family will help raise the broods every year. They'll kind of get inter-family help, and they're a really interesting species in that way. They all have a granary tree in which the family and kind of the group of acorn woodpeckers share this one tree where they'll just store thousands of acorns. And so they're kind of unique in that way as well, but just a really cool species, and I'm really excited to be able to be out here capturing them today. So we have some acorn woodpeckers that have stopped by, and I found this one area where they're visiting this bunch of logs that are kind of nestled on the ground, so it's giving me some really beautiful eye-level shots right now, and that's really exciting. So, I'm gonna relocate a little bit to get a little bit better of an angle on these guys. I think I have a really nice opportunity with these logs coming up. So, we're gonna relocate over there and see if we can get even better shots of them. So this is really exciting. We've got many multiple acorn woodpeckers, and they're stopping by right where I was hoping they'd keep returning to at the logs, and I'm getting some really cool opportunities with them on these logs. They're flying all over the branches above me and getting down eye level with me, so this is really cool. They're such a beautiful bird. They're red, kind of the top of their head that's just red. It's just so cool when it kind of flares up. Gives a really beautiful, cool aesthetic to them. And they're kind of a goofy looking bird, but really exciting to capture. And they make this really funny kind of like clown laughing noises is what it's known as. And it's just really cool to just be around so many of them. You can probably hear that sound, and that's their laughing calls that they make to each other. Oh, you guys. So I just got a really cool shot of an acorn woodpecker just in the shade, just this beam of light coming down and just hitting the acorn woodpecker and everything else in the shadows. Just this really cool, moody aesthetic shot. Gotten some really up close, nice, beautiful bird portrait shots as well, and gotten some cool ones of them on the log. This has been really cool, really exciting. So this has been a exciting, cool morning so far. Still have a little ways to go, but I just want to really quick tell you guys about the new workshops that I've set up on my website. I launched them just a few weeks ago at the same time that I launched my mentorship programs. And now I'm offering workshops available in my area. If you guys are ever in California, I have multiple workshops available throughout California in which you guys can come out with me for a day. I can teach you guys a little bit about wildlife photography, help you guys grow in your wildlife photography skills, and help you capture whatever target species that we're after that day. And so these acorn woodpeckers are just one of the workshops that are offered. The acorn woodpeckers, capturing them with their granary tree and the family. And so it's a pretty cool workshop. You'll get to have a day very similar to what you're seeing right now. And yeah, would definitely encourage you guys to check it out on my website. Link in the description below, card above. And yeah, but let's get back to photographing some of these acorn woodpeckers. This is so exciting, you guys. Getting some really good shots right now. Wow, so what a good day just to be out in nature, just to get to experience nature, take some good photos and be around a family of acorn woodpeckers. Such a great day to be out. Hope it inspired you guys a little bit today to get out in nature, take some good photos yourselves. If you guys are interested in checking out my workshops at all, you can sort through them by seasons, and the link is available in the description below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe below, turn on that notification bell so you can get notifications, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video.